We are obviously going to get into a full kind of lead-in historical on this company in the review, but this is the Kaite 2025 Gen 3. We have waited for this unit for a long time, and thank you to Plus Corporation for sending us this sample. The Kaite, if you've been following us for the past couple years, has been the only device we would ever recommend in the world of non-e-paper magnet boards. No, they don't pay us. We don't have any agreement with Plus in any way, shape, or form. We don't get compensated. We truly believe this is awesome because this isn't like one of those weird boogie boards that you draw on the screen and the black goes away and it looks like a rainbow. This is the closest possible thing to e-paper. The box is all in English now too, which is amazing, and that's very telling because the first two gens were not. This one says write, erase, keep. This isn't an electronic device. That's not what's happening here, and we'll explain everything as we go, but this is very exciting because we have not seen a Kaite in a long time. So let's crack this open. So in case you're just joining us on the world of e-readers, this is not e-paper, but it is the closest depiction of e-paper without using any electronics. And why this is so important is because there's a ton of countries that have DG restrictions, which is considered dangerous goods. You can't ship a regular Kindle to every country because 1, it requires charging, 2, it has a battery on board, and 3, it's very expensive. This has no electronics whatsoever. It is a plastic board with an extremely high quality screen, and this screen is just a magnet board, but this is almost as if you're using e-paper with a Wacom pen. And again, we're going to get into the full review on this. We're just going to give you a taste that when you draw on the screen, look at that. We've seen the first two gens, and I can already tell you that writing feel, it almost felt a little bit more kind of rubbery, and there's a little bit more vibration through the pen, and as you can see, the pen is slotted as to almost reverberate and give you some flex. That is such a sharp contrast between the black of the stroke and the white background. This is also the cleanest background available to date. And yes, you would just swipe it like that and away it goes. It never degrades. There's little particles that go up and down. We're going to be covering all of this, and in the full review we will be putting this under our new microscope we've been messing around with on all the readers. This is very exciting, guys. This is the 3rd gen Kaite. This is 2025. This is by Plus Corporation Japan. This is available now. It is purchasable instantly. You get a pen with it. You get this little eraser tab thing that never degrades the screen. We still have Kaites from years ago that the screen just looks completely fine. They make a whole different line of pens. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Kaite Gen 3. Stay tuned for the full review.